Imagine walking barefoot on a tropical beach, feeling the warm sand beneath your feet, only to realize that a creature smaller than your thumb could end your life in minutes. Welcome to the terrifying world of the most venomous animals on Earth. These are not your ordinary predators. These are nature's biochemical weapons, creatures armed with toxins so potent they could drop an elephant, or a human, with just one sting or bite. Let's dive in, if you dare. First up, the box jellyfish, found mostly in the waters around Australia and Southeast Asia. Don't let its ghostly, transparent body fool you. Each of its tentacles, up to 3 meters long, is lined with thousands of tiny harpoon-like cells that inject venom into anything they touch. Within minutes, the venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, causing excruciating pain and cardiac arrest. In fact, some victims don't even make it back to shore. The ocean might look calm, but in the presence of the box jellyfish, it's a silent battlefield. Next, meet the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. Native to Australia, it's considered the most venomous snake in the world. One bite contains enough venom to kill 100 grown men. Luckily for us, it's incredibly shy and rarely comes into contact with humans. But if it feels threatened, its venom, packed with neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins, can shut down your nervous system, destroy your blood cells, and stop your breathing all at once. Fast, efficient, and terrifyingly precise. Now, let's move to the ocean again, to a creature you could easily mistake for a seashell, the cone snail. This tiny marine snail hides a hypodermic harpoon in its proboscis, ready to fire at lightning speed. Its venom is so complex that scientists have described it as a chemical cocktail containing hundreds of different toxins. A single sting can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and death within hours. There's no known antidote. Divers call it the cigarette snail, because after getting stung, you'd only have time for one last smoke. But the land isn't safe either. Enter the blue-ringed octopus, a beautiful but deadly creature found in tide pools across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It's tiny, about the size of a golf ball, but don't underestimate it. When threatened, it flashes its glowing blue rings as a warning. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, the same powerful neurotoxin found in pufferfish. One bite can cause total paralysis within minutes. What's worse, the victim remains fully conscious but unable to move or breathe. There's no antidote. Only artificial respiration can keep you alive until the toxin wears off. Speaking of the ocean's nightmares, we can't skip the stonefish, the world's most venomous fish. It's a master of disguise, blending perfectly with the rocky ocean floor. Step on one, and its dorsal spines inject venom that can cause unbearable pain, tissue death, and even heart failure. Some describe the pain as so intense that victims beg for their limbs to be amputated. The stonefish doesn't attack, it just waits. The perfect ambush predator. Now, for something smaller but equally deadly, the Brazilian wandering spider. Found in South America, this spider is known for being aggressive and for its incredibly potent venom. A single bite can cause paralysis and, in some cases, death. But its venom also causes an unexpected side effect in men: painful, hours-long erections. Yep, nature's sense of humor is dark. Scientists are even studying its venom for potential use in erectile dysfunction treatments. Proof that even the deadliest creatures can have strange benefits. Let's travel to the rainforests of Central and South America, where you'll find the poison dart frog. These tiny, brightly colored frogs look like little jewels, but their skin secretes one of the most powerful toxins known to science: batrachotoxin. Indigenous tribes used to dip their blow darts into this poison to hunt. Just a few micrograms can stop your heart. The crazy part? These frogs don't produce the toxin themselves. It comes from the insects they eat in the wild. In captivity, where their diet is different, they lose their toxicity completely. Up next, a creature that's been terrorizing humans for centuries: the king cobra. The world's longest venomous snake can reach up to 5.5 meters in length. When threatened, it rises up, spreads its hood, and delivers enough neurotoxin in a single bite to kill an elephant. But the king cobra isn't just a mindless killer, it's intelligent. It can recognize threats and often chooses to flee rather than fight. In the wild, its venom is mainly used to subdue other snakes, its favorite meal. Let's not forget the Sydney funnel web spider, another Australian nightmare. Found around Sydney, this spider's venom acts fast, attacking the human nervous system and causing muscle spasms, breathing difficulties, and, if untreated, death. Before the creation of an anti-venom in 1981, it caused multiple fatalities. The good news? Thanks to fast medical responses, no deaths have been recorded since the anti-venom's introduction. Still, if you see one, run. Don't reason. Finally, we end with one of the strangest and most terrifying creatures of all, the pufferfish. It might look cute and harmless, but it hides enough tetrodotoxin to kill 30 adult humans. That's 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide. Yet, in Japan, it's considered a delicacy called fugu. Chefs need a special license to prepare it, and even then, accidents happen every year. Eating it is the ultimate gamble. One wrong cut, and your last meal becomes really your last meal. So, what makes these animals so fascinating? It's that venom isn't just about killing, it's about survival. These creatures evolved chemical weapons to defend themselves, hunt, or deter predators. And in a strange twist of fate, humans are now studying these venoms to develop new medicines for pain relief, blood pressure regulation, and even cancer treatments. Nature's deadliest creations might also hold the key to saving lives. If you enjoyed exploring the dark side of the animal kingdom, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos just like this one. And tell us in the comments, which venomous animal scares you the most?